Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest, in-depth reviews. Today, we're looking at a product that promises flawless coverage and all-day wear. The Stila Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer. This is a liquid foundation and concealer hybrid that's designed to give you long-lasting, high-coverage results. If you're someone who's constantly on the lookout for a foundation that stays put through busy days and still looks fresh by the time the sun sets, this could be one you want to pay attention to. Now, let's get into the specifics of this product. The Stila Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer is oil-free and designed for all skin types, making it a versatile option for a wide range of beauty enthusiasts. It's formulated to work as both a foundation and a concealer in one, perfect for streamlining your makeup routine. The shade I'm reviewing today is 01 Bare, which is a neutral tone that blends effortlessly into fair skin. In terms of ingredients, this foundation has a smooth, velvety texture that doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's made with high-quality pigments that provide full coverage while still allowing your skin to breathe. The formula is also oil-free, which makes it a great option for anyone with oily or combination skin, as it won't contribute to shine or clog your pores. When it comes to applying the Stila Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer, it's incredibly easy to use. The consistency is smooth, and a little goes a long way. I've tested it in several real-world scenarios, on hot days, during workouts, and after long hours of wear. In each instance, I found that it held up well. The coverage is buildable, so you can layer it for more intense coverage or keep it light for a more natural look. It's also easy to blend, which is a huge plus for anyone who's not into fussing with their makeup. Now let's talk about the pros. The first thing that stands out is the foundation's staying power. As promised, it really does last all day without needing much touch-up. The full coverage is another highlight. It covers blemishes and redness without looking cakey or heavy. I also really appreciate the versatility of the product as it functions both as a foundation and a concealer. Plus, it's oil-free, which makes it ideal for oily skin types. But there are a couple of cons worth noting. While it provides fantastic coverage, it can feel a bit too matte for those with dry skin, and it might settle into fine lines over time if not properly moisturized beforehand. The shade range is another potential issue. While 01 Bare worked for my skin tone, it's important to check if the product will suit your specific complexion. In terms of value for money, Stila's Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer comes in at a mid-range price point. For the performance and long-lasting effects it offers, it's certainly worth the investment, especially if you have trouble finding foundations that stay in place all day without needing constant touch-ups. If you're someone who wears makeup regularly and needs something reliable, this is a solid choice. If you're thinking of alternatives, there are other long-wear foundations out there, such as the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation or the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. Both offer long-lasting coverage, but they come in slightly different price brackets and textures, so it's worth considering your own preferences. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, which is exactly what you'd expect from a high-end brand like Stila. The pump dispenses just the right amount of product, so you're not wasting any. Plus, the bottle is travel-friendly, making it easy to toss in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups if needed. I haven't had direct experience with Stila's customer service, but based on their reputation, I expect that they handle inquiries and issues efficiently. They've built a solid name for themselves in the beauty industry, and their customer support is generally regarded as responsive and helpful. Now, let's sum it all up. The Stila Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer is a strong contender for those looking for high coverage that lasts all day. Its oil-free formula and versatility are major pluses, but if you have dry skin, it's worth noting that it might feel a bit too matte. Overall, if you're in the market for something that'll stay put from morning to night, this product definitely delivers. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that others can find it too. Your support helps us continue making honest, detailed reviews. And if you've tried this foundation, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.